Hello everyone, welcome to Cloudinology's YouTube channel. In this video, I will take you through a project where I had to integrate Hubspot with Outlook. Talking about the project overview, the Cloudinology team assisted its client by integrating Hubspot and Outlook. The project requirements were as follows. The client wanted us to integrate Hubspot with Outlook. Let's take a look at personal email connection. Step 1. Create an account on Hubspot CRM and log into the same. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the page to go to the setting. Step 2. Go to the email tab and click on the Connect Personal Email button. Step 3. Select Microsoft 365 icon, then check the Turn on Inbox Automation checkbox. Then click on the Connect Your Inbox button, then click Continue. Step 4. Then select your Outlook account. Then provide the required permissions until you are redirected to your Hubspot account. Then click on the Download Extension button and click on Download for the Outlook Desktop extension on the next screen. Step 5. Install the Outlook Desktop extension and click Done on your Hubspot page. Once your extension is installed, open the Outlook app on your desktop and you will see a Hubspot icon on your Outlook window ribbon. Click on it and select Sign In. Step 6. You will be redirected to a browser to sign into your Hubspot account. Once that is done, click on the Hubspot icon in the tray in your desktop taskbar to sign in for the desktop notification. Now, let us start with the demo. As per the requirement, I integrated Hubspot with Outlook using the native tool only. Go to the setting, then in Journal section, you will find an email tab. I have just added Outlook email in this tab. After you add the email, it will prompt you to download the extension. You can also find the extension here. For Outlook, you have to download the extension in your Windows or PC. I have already done that. After successfully doing that, you will see a Hubspot icon in your tray. It will ask you to log into your Hubspot account. After you log in, you will be able to see all the tasks in here. You can also search the activities and filters the activity based on your criteria. Whether you go to the Hubspot account, in the Outlook window, you will find the logo in the windows. It will give you some of the settings, like it has given the sign in option. It says sign out here because I have already signed in. You can also change the setting from here, like logged email or track email. Now let's see what happens when I click on the new email, and we will add the email that is already present on your Hubspot account. It will automatically fetch the contact information for you, and you can see the contact name in Hubspot and Gmail is there. Open this in CRM, add deals, add task to it. You can also search for a contact, let's say Katie, and you can see it's here, as we can send her the email and utilize other services too with this integration of Hubspot with Outlook. This is how we integrate Hubspot with Outlook. If you're looking for a top-notch experts to get started with Hubspot CRM, connect with Cloudinology and leverage the best-in-class Hubspot CRM implementation services for your business growth. We have a team of certified specialists who have hands-on experience of years in implementing Hubspot effectively and smoothly integrate with other complex business systems and platforms. Thank you for watching.